Welcome to Montjuïc Castle, an historic gem perched on top of Montjuïc Hill, Barcelona. Join us on this walking tour as we explore the rich history, stunning architecture and breathtaking views this iconic fortress has to offer. We visited Montjuïc Castle last Sunday when admission was free. Normally it's €12 to enter. As we step through the gates, we're immediately transported back in time. The castle dates back to 1640, originally built as a military fortress, but it has had many roles over the past 400 years. This plaque commemorates Caspar de Portola, a Spanish military officer who was the first governor of California. He is credited with laying the foundations for the creation of some of California's main cities, such as San Diego and Monterey. But I do suspect that the statue on top is not of him. The port is a regular flight path for planes flying into Barcelona airport at El Prat that you can see in the distance. These cannons are a stark reminder of the castle's diverse purpose. Standing here, you can really feel the strategic importance of Montjuïc's position, overseeing both the city and the sea. Even on a day like today, there is a nice clear view to La Sagrada Familia and glorious to the right. Now let's head up the ramparts. The views are absolutely worth it, and on a slightly overcast day like today, the temperature is perfect for a leisurely stroll. From the top we are greeted with panoramic views of Barcelona's bustling port and the coastline stretching out onto the horizon. Even on an overcast day like today, the views of the city are beautiful, and you can make out many of the city's iconic landmarks, such as the towers at Plaza España, Tibidabo in the distance, and of course La Sagrada Familia. This is the perfect spot to snap some photos with friends and family, capture memories and soak in the atmosphere. Montjuïc offers a unique blend of history and beauty that makes it a must visit while you're here in Barcelona. Inside, the castle houses several exhibits that delve into its rich past. Here you can see artifacts, old maps, and many displays that tell the tale of the castle's historic and military significance. Take a look around this grand courtyard. It's easy to imagine soldiers once marching through here, ready to defend the city. Montjuïc Castle played a significant role in Barcelona's history, witnessing battles, sieges, and even serving as a prison. As we make our way back out, let's take a moment to appreciate the serene surroundings. This castle is not just about history, it is also a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city below. Thank you so much for joining on this tour of Montjuïc Castle. Whether you're a historic buff or just looking for a place with stunning views of Barcelona while you're here, this historic fortress is something for everybody. If you've enjoyed this tour, don't forget, leave a like, share and send us a comment. Thanks. And we'll see you next time.